Assalamualaikum dear students, how are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Sabrina Jahan, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take work and life class for the students of class 7. Look dear students, here today's topic is from chapter 1. We will discuss about this chapter and this is our lecture number 2. So please follow the board. Look dear students, here lesson 2. The topic is about example of hard manual labor. We will learn something about this topic. Look dear students, our civilization is a result of massive manual labor of human beings. We have achieved this human civilization at the cost of millions of people's manual labor for thousands of years. For decades, people have created so many things as the testimony of manual labor. Today, we will learn about some stories of those deeds. Okay? Look dear students, here the first topic is what? The pyramids of Egypt. Have you read the name of the pyramids of Egypt? Almost everyone from everywhere knows about it. All the pyramids have been famous since ancient time. The Egyptian pyramids are about 4,500 years old. Then look, people needed manual labor as well as technological knowledge for constructing the pyramids. Look here, it is here that it took about 20 years look here, 1 lakh people to build the Great Pyramid of Giza. Look, the blocks used for making this pyramid weigh at least a few tons each. Then look, some of the stones are carried over from 500 kilometers away. Some stones are carried from the other side of the river. Each of these stones weighs 25 to 80 tons. Okay, now look, now we will learn the Great Wall of China. Look, the Great Wall of China is one of the achievements of the human civilization that requires the hardest manual labor of millions of people. The Chinese started making this wall in the 7th century BC in order to protect the Chinese Empire from the attack of the Mongols. Millions of workers continuously worked for 100 years to build this 8,850 kilometer long wall. Okay, then look, the Tasman of Agra. Who has not heard the name of the Tasman of Agra? Emperor Jahan built this monument as a memorial of his dear wife Mumtaz. This Tasman carries the symbol of Jahan's profound love for his wife, and at the same time it reminds the hard labor of thousands of people in building this monument. Taj Mahal is made of marble stones which had to be brought from far away. It was not an easy matter to cut these stones according to the required shapes and setting them in the proper place according to the plan. Besides its extraordinary architectural design, huge building works, and sustainability in the teeth of hundreds of years natural calamity, all this became possible as a result of millions of people's manual labor. We cannot but keep this in mind that in those days there are no modern technology like today. So what we have learned from this discussion here, we have learned that this Taj Mahal carries the symbol of Jahan's profound love for his wife, and at the same time it reminds the hard labor of the thousands of people in building this monument. Taj Mahal is made of mountain stones which had to be brought from far away, and it was not an easy matter to cut these stones according to the required shapes and setting them in the proper place according to the plan. And what we have learned from this discussion, besides its extraordinary architectural design, huge building works and sustainability in the teeth of the hundreds of years natural calamity, all this became possible as a result of the million of people's manual labor. Okay dear students, then from this from lesson 3 and 4 you will learn the story of manual labor too. So we will discuss our next lessons in our next lesson. Okay, but you have to read this properly at your home. Okay, all of this chapter you will this chapter 1, all of these lessons you have to read at your home properly. Okay dear students. Look dear students, there is no SW about this topic. So I hope you have understood today's topic. See you again in our next class. Allah Hafiz.